Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are pleased to present this Range Rover Sport Autobiography that comes finished in Borasco Grey with a full service history and 12 months warranty. The exterior is enhanced by a black exterior pack, red brake calipers and privacy glass. To the rear, a powered tailgate opens to a large boot space, suitable for large family life and all your everyday needs. Inside, you're welcomed by a spacious cabin with DuoTone, light cloud and ebony semi-aniline leather interior. Every surface reflects the premium craftsmanship expected from Land Rover, creating a luxurious and inviting environment. One of the standout luxury features of this vehicle is the centre console refrigerator compartment, perfect for keeping refreshments chilled and close at hand. The steering wheel has buttons that keep you connected to voice control, cruise control, lane assist and heated steering. Heated and cooled front and rear seats and front seat massage function create first-class comfort, while a 3D camera alongside a ClearSight rear view mirror and head-up display ensure every driving experience is simple and stress-free. Additional tech includes Navigation Pro, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and climate control. Above, the sliding panoramic sunroof brings in ample light and increases cabin airflow on those warmer days. For more information on this vehicle or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.